Hey y'all, Bree the Brat here. I have a Dentist Barbie with her little patient and her chair and all this equipment. But did you know that she had some phrases and sound effects? Let's try them out.
Let's brush. Great checkup.
Pretty cool. Here I have a Teacher Barbie from 1995, and I have her chalkboard, the desks, the students, and the Barbie. Let me just show you really quick that this chalkboard makes some sounds and stuff. So of course you want to sharpen your pencil. This moves here, but if you push it in a little bit, and then if the clock, always watching the clock, right? Learn to tell your time. And there are some buttons here on the side. There's a class to start.
Great job. Try it again.
So that's for no.
Try it again.
And yes.
Great job.
And this is supposed to turn around, but man, it just wants to stick in place. So yeah. And I don't have the little boards for it anyway, so, but you can write on the chalkboard. Let me see if I can get it back around. Oh, shoot. Now that it's back in its place, it just has these little pegs and they're just a little tight. So you're supposed to swing it around, but it's just a little tight. But you can write on the board. And erase. Wipe it off. Kind of cool. So that is it for Teacher Barbie and her students. I found the walking Barbie and baby Krissy stroller set to be a little bit challenging to get Barbie to move. I found if I kind of rock the stroller side to side, she'd move on her own. Or you could hold her shoulders and then she walks much better. See you later, Barbie. Songbird Teresa and her bird. Now this is a pretty old doll, so the battery shouldn't be working anymore, but just that little bit. And this is the Barbie Songbird bird, and it works much better. Flicker and flash rollerblades. I hope nobody burned up their carpet playing with these guys. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.